this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun pop-up card with the Bright and Beautiful suite. Okay, I'm going to show you how to make this fun 2468 pop-up box card. And we're going to start with a piece of Azure Afternoon that is 8 inches long and 5.5 inches tall. And we are going to score, whoops, it actually goes this way. We're going to score at 2, 4, 6, and 8. Okay, and then we're going to turn it and we're going to score at 2 1/4 down the side. Now we're just going to trim away the shorter end and this piece is going to become our tab. So I'm just going to fold on all the score lines first, and then I will do a little bit more trimming. So now I'm going to trim on the shorter side, the 2 1/4 side, and I'm just going to trim on all of the score lines. And now we get to decorate. So I'm going to flip it back this way, and I have some pieces of the Bright and Beautiful Designer Series paper cut out. I've got the stars, and these are to 1 3/4 by 3, and you're going to need 4 of them. So this is the outside, and then these are going to be the inside pieces. So I'm just going to determine where my back piece is going to be. So this is going to be my back piece. So all of these 3 pieces I'm going to fold down, and I'm going to use the watercolor wash piece, the Azure one, and this one measures 1 3/4 by 2. And now I'm going to flip it over because I want to try and keep this as upright as possible, and add this piece, which is also 1 3/4 by 2. And that's going to be our back piece. Next, I'm just going to fold over one panel. This is my easy peasy trick for adhering 3D projects. And then since this is 2468, it should perfectly match up. And then you can press firmly on the flat surface, and we have our box. So we're going to decorate our box, and we're going to add some inside pieces. So I cut out this oval using the All That dies, and I'm going to stamp "So Thrilled for You." So now I'm going to start decorating the box. So I'm going to add the sentiment right here, and I've already stamped and cut out some balloons, some large and some small from each color. And I'm going to put the Azure Afternoon one on the back top here, along with a small berry burst. And now I'm going to build some little pieces to go inside here. So this is 3 by 1 inch, and I've scored at 1/2 inch from both sides. And then I'm going to trim this in half. And I'm going to fold it like a Z. So I'm going to fold it opposite ways and put adhesive on both tabs. One on this side, flip it over, one on the other side. Now I'm going to take one side and I'm going to place it inside my box, and I'm going to line up this edge right here. I'm gonna fit it in the corner, and then I'm gonna line the top edge up with this score line right here. So I'm just gonna attach the one. Okay, now I'm gonna fold the other one like this, and I am just going to fold this flat, and it's going to stick almost a little bit too high where it needs to go. So let's move it down just a little bit. Okay, that's better. And then we're gonna do the same thing with this piece. So I'm gonna put adhesive on this side, flip it over, put adhesive on this side, and I'm going to bend these. And I'm going to go to the opposite corner and do the same thing. So I'm gonna line this up with those edges right there. And then I'm gonna make sure this stays aligned and just flatten it. And you've got your two pieces here ready for decoration. So I'm gonna use some acetate, some window sheets, and these are pretty small. They're about 1/2 inch by 1 inch. And I'm gonna use glue dots to adhere the balloons to the window sheet. So we'll start with the Berry Burst balloon right on top. And then we'll do another glue dot on the same side so that we can hide the window sheet down here. And I'm going to put this one to the left. Now I'm going to add a little lemon lime twist balloon with a small mini dimensional off to the left. Now I'm going to do the same thing for our lemon lime twist balloon. I'm just going to add that straight on. And now I'm going to add another glue dot to the same side. And this one is going to go to the right. And I'm going to put it down a little bit more so that there's different heights here. And then we'll adhere this one with a mini dimensional off to the right. Okay, now the last part is decorating the sides. So I have these stars and I'm gonna stamp some confetti on them first. And there is my 2468 pop-up box card. You can receive this card kit for free when you purchase the Beautiful Balloons bundle or place a $50 order using my current host code. You have the 2468 pop-up box, the shaker card, and the double Z fold card.